Southside girls, get down. Westside girls, get down. Eastside girls, get down. Southside girls, get down.
Hello everyone, welcome to the third and the last part of the series, my first motorcycle tour. If you have missed the two previous videos, please check them out too. In this video, we ride from Brussels back to home Stuttgart, in between staying in Düsseldorf and Königswinter. My first stop was in Aachen. It is less than 150 kilometers away from Brussels, a beautiful city that I liked very much and I will definitely visit it again. I had a lunch there, took a little bit of walk, and saw for the first time in my life real human remains. I hope it is okay to show them on YouTube. We just have finished our goulash soup and it was delicious. And I have the iced tea from yesterday. Interesting fact, if you are eating now, maybe you should take a break. Maybe you can read it if you understand German. I am gonna show you some stuff. Ta-da! That's a skeleton, of real skeleton. Depends few hundred years ago. He is supposed to be Friedhof. What do you say? Kladbische? Cemetery? Okay. And it's real skeleton, and there are some explanations for that. I will show you one more place. Wow. I think it's first time when I see the real bone of a human. I don't remember. I mean, I saw dead people, but there. I see the spine, I see some hands, maybe legs. Wow, interesting. Beautiful. Beautiful place. I like Aachen. Wow. It's a good city. Looks like it had also some role in history. In the past. In the past. 60 seconds to Napoli. I think that's an Italian restaurant. Look at this beautiful place. Beautiful street with beautiful car. Yeah, wow. Villa Kunterbund. What's that? I think it's a shopping place for children. Bielefelder Wäsche. Bielefeld, it's a name of a place. I guess the Wäsche are coming from Bielefeld. I saw some statue that I want to visit. Well, let's see. It's supposed to be a very badass statue. This is the statue that I saw. Wow, it looks so badass. He has some unusual name. I will put it later and search online where it comes from. Interesting. Very. I thought it's a pantera or something, like a tiger. Eye of the tiger, dum dum dum, dum dum dum, dum dum dum, dum dum dum. La la la, back in my street. Na 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 na. Your life is hard if you don't know the lyrics. This thing is somehow also Sehenswürdigkeit. What do you call it? And it was planted in 25th of October 1986 through the governor Geng Dianhua, Chinese, as a sign of token of friendship for the anlässlich der Begründung der Stadtpartnerschaft. Aachen and Ningbo somehow connected, and this was as a token of friendship between Ningbo and Aachen. Wow, who could have thought? I have to search internet online. What does Aachen and Ningbo has together? Let's go inside. Maybe can take some photos. Nicht so tief, Rüdiger. Oh, this place has nothing to do with that sign. Yeah, I'm sorry, miscommunication. I misunderstood. This is a history of Aachen settlement, and it tells something about. It's very ancient, from ancient Rome. Lost in a romance, wilderness of pain. Sorry, I got distracted. When I hear the word Rome, I always want to sing that song. Yeah, the Celt, the Romans. Very interesting, but it's reflects the sun, so you can't hear so you can't see that much. Sorry. Let me get to the shadow. If you should come to Germany, I strongly suggest you to visit Aachen. It's my first time here and I really impressed. It's a beautiful city with beautiful history, with beautiful views. You will find something to see. So I just dropped €2 here because I really like how he played, and this lady is drawing with him. So, but you know, you have to be careful what you take picture of or videos of, because Germans don't like to be taken. There's something called Datenschutz. We'll talk more about that later, about Datenschutz. The secure of data. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I love it. Maybe I should move to Aachen. Nah, Stuttgart is the best, #1. Not New York, not whatever. It's Stuttgart. Trinkwasser. Kurzumfrage zum Trinkwasser. Short survey on drink fountains. Oh, should we take a part? Nah, it's fine. Okay, let's take a part. Yeah, I did the survey. They were asking about, do you like it? Do you think we should put more, or you don't like it? You prefer to bring your own water, and so on. And I said, yeah, these kind of things are good. The well, yeah, it's well, öffentliche, public well, and it should be more, because sometimes you don't have time or, enough money to buy water, and if you have this kind of thing, you can always drink. And sometimes the weather is like 35% ornamentum, and so you can get something to drink, not like me, spend €10 for 1.5 liters. So be smart, people, buy from a store, grocery store. So we want to go to Elisenbrunnen, 400 meters left. Wow. Yoo-hoo. That is the theater of Aachen, and in front of it it's a horse. Horse is always good. That horsey. Musigette helitunadique coro. How do you like my, I guess it's Latin? How do you like my Latin, huh? Wow. These places were visited by these people. Do we know somebody? I don't think so. Nope. Anna Maria Luisa von Medici. I saw a movie about the Medici I mean you understand. Kansler von Schottland, I don't know. James Peter de was, I don't know it. It's supposed to be some very ancient place. Mineral Thermal Water, der Kaiserquelle. Hier fließt das Mineral Thermalwasser der Kaiserquelle. Here comes water from here. So my brain is not braining. Okay, I will just put it here and translate it later. And you should not drink it. And it smells very bad. Okay. Please do not skate. That I can translate. And it was come, let's wash our hands. It has natrium, kalium, calcium, fluoride, and is around 53 degrees warm. Oh, it's pretty hot. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am here so hot, I won't take my clothes off. And we come back to the things we were just some minutes ago. Elisenbrunnen. Okay. I think actually I would like to stay longer, but I want to go to my destination. We want to go together. I want to go to Düsseldorf. Really beautiful city. Really, I loved it. A lot of stuff to Google. So we'll walk now to our bike, and then we'll get ready to go to Düsseldorf. So, peace. My next destination was a city called Düsseldorf. After checking in, first thing I did was going to a restaurant to eat something. For the first time in my life I tried ostriidi, and I have to admit I liked it. I did not know how to eat it and asked the waiter to show me. He was kind and explained to me, you have to remove the skin from the shell, flip it upside down and just eat it. Also, they offered me a sparkling wine because usually people drink it with ostriidi. What a hard word, ostriidi. After that, I went to sleep and next day I checked out. But I left my stuff at hotel because we still had something to do later in the evening. Until that, I explored the city. 22,500 with discount. Otherwise 37.50. 16.90. No, thank you. My colleagues let me stay 1 hour longer in the hotel. Thank you very much for them for that. I want to go this place. There's some swan house, whatever it means. I want to see that. And I'm already getting hungry. I had good breakfast, but I'm getting hungry again. Yeah. Well, some construction works. Interesting statue. Vadim Sidur, the manor. Manor, it's someone who cuts the grass? I don't know. Or the man who did the statue. Okay. And this part of the city is bigger than I expected. It's a Rathaus. And the street goes farther that way, this way, a lot of people crowded here. Ausgang.
Wir starten gleich unser Manöver. Werden wir gleich anbiegen.
I came here when it was cold weather once and there were no people, but now as you can see it's very crowded. This is the river called Rhine, I think. I'm not sure, I have to search. If yes, this is the longest river in Europe. This is the area called Little Tokyo. According to Google, in this area you can experience the Japanese, the Tokyo. Not only food but also people. And I see now here and on the map that here a lot of Japanese stores or Asian stores. Kata milyon mal lebt da. It's a little bit too many people. What's beef? Kyoto Porzellan. Fachhandel für japanische Wohnkultur. Yeah, interesting. I want to visit Japan also. I've never been there. I'm sure I will like it. Recently I watched the Japanese TV program, TV Sender. It was called NHK or something. At least they were telling about Japan and so on, and I really liked it. It's a good country. I will visit. Maybe I will even live there. Who knows? Maybe one day. Clayton Hotel. Oops. Konnichiwa. She was in Japan. Yeah, that's good. I like this place. Look what I found. Interesting. Kugelbrunnen. What they call Kugel of English. Oh, I forgot it. Ball? Ball well. Interesting. I visited Düsseldorf once before, but I barely remember something. After spending some time in city center, I went there. The System of a Down concert.
Desolate room, no lights, no music. I'm gonna win forever.
Boy, it was fucking awesome concert and I enjoyed it fully. Everything was excellent. The sound, setlist, the band, fans, it was totally worth it. I headbanged so much that next day I had muscle pains at my neck. After the concert I ate something, went back to hotel, grabbed my stuff and rode to my next destination, Königswinter. So we are almost ready to go. It's 1:15 and I will just put my helmet, put my stuff, then we are ready to go. Meet me, Königswinter. Meet me, Jesus. Meet me. Au revoir. Enchanté. Goodbye, Düsseldorf. Beautiful city with beautiful concept. See you next time. Königswinter is a small city and my hotel was on a hill. The road to the hotel was so winding that I ended up in the upcoming lane twice when turning right. But luckily I was alone on motorcycle and it was almost 2:30 am and there were almost no traffic. After checking in, I just took a bath and went to sleep. Next day I saw something sexy under my windows. Ёбаный в рот. Look at these beautiful Porsches. Oof, oof, oof. Look at that beautiful Porsches. Wow. We are in Königswinter. We came here like at 2:30 yesterday night and we went sleeping. Now I woke up, ate something for breakfast and I will pack my stuff and prepare to leave. Today we are going, but we all know who has the best vehicle. It's my baby, not the Porsche. Move it, move it. Today we will be going back home to Stuttgart and yeah, weather is beautiful. I will go to terrace and try to take some beautiful videos also. I love these cars. Wow. So we packed our side coffer cases and I put a little bit of oil on chains because it's been already a few hundred kilometers. Now let's see the Porsches. Let's see the Porsche. This is the modern one. Bien, mucho bien. Porsche Club Bonn charity tour. Can I drive also? I'm poor. Now this is electric Porsche. Okay, bien. Now we get something serious. Oh, that thing is ripping off. Bien, 911. I had one chance to drive Porsche. They allowed me to repark it, and I had something like this, very modern, and something like that, maybe a little bit older. Maybe something like this, yeah. And you see this 310, that means this car is available only from March to October. So he's a seasonal plate numbers. He is not allowed to drive from November to February. Now we have another Porsche, then we have old Porsche, the best. And in Germany, if you see the letter H at the end, that means the car is old-timer. To get the old-timer, the car must be at least 30 years old. For example, like this Mercedes, you see, also H. It must have it must be 30 years old. It must be in original Zustand. You can change a little bit of details, you can even repaint it, but it must be an original color and so on. If you, for example, change the motor, the engine, then you can't get the H letter. Then we have another a little bit older Porsches. Wow, Cabrio Porsche. Like I said, this is also seasonal. It's from May to October only. And we have something for drivers, for racers. When I want to grow up, I want to be a racist because I like to race. Anyway, this is something like this, not for us. Another very fast as fuck boy. And Porsche. Old Porsche, but it doesn't have H letter. Maybe it was changed, maybe. Or it is not 30 years old. Porsche Bobster, wow. What a beautiful Taycan. Beautiful. So we will take a little bit of walk in hotel, then we get back, okay? In this hotel you may find Konrad Adenauer, the first Chancellor of Germany after Second World War. And I think this hotel was his favorite, and he used to come often, if not always. Now I'm gonna show you a beautiful view. Wow, this is Germany, welcome. Drone, flying drone. Oh, that bird, no, bird is dead. So sad, baby. This is Germany. Let's see a lot of greens. River. Is it Rhine? I don't know. And these are charity tour people that are driving in white t-shirts. Can I drive your car, please? Beautiful. I had breakfast, checked out and took a very small walk near the hotel. After that, rode straight to home. First I wanted to avoid highways so I can enjoy the ride. But it was too hot, I got into traffic jam, it was 7th day on road and I was so tired that I took Autobahn and just wanted to reach my home. I did not even record anything and finally around 6 in the evening I arrived home. In summary, I liked the trip very much. I explored 2 new countries, visited 2 awesome concerts, saw a lot of beautiful things and gathered some experience for my next bigger tour on a motorcycle. In 6 nights and 7 days we rode 1270 kilometers and spent around 1000 euros. In the next video I will tell you about what I did wrong and what should we avoid next time. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I will see you soon. Horseman gallops away. Oynama şeketem, peyren. Oynama şeketem.